In this video, we are going to look at how do we call integration on UI components to populate them dynamically in process automation. The use case is you may have some UI components such as a drop-down, and that drop-down you wanted to populate from external API or from the integration APIs that you have connected via connectors so that your UI components can be populated dynamically, such as uh, the leave type. The leave would reside in some source of truth application, such as your HRMS application, and then you need to call an API, show, fetch all the leaves, and populate your dropdown. So let's see how this can be done. So here we already have one connector available with get leaves. So this get leaves is nothing. It's like calling one integration, which will give the list of leaves. So let me show you. So how this works. So here, if I go to the Oracle integration, what it will produce, let me show you. Go here and then design and integrations. And from here, you can see we have get leaves, run, and simply run, and then it will show you all the leaves like leaves array, label, and values. So I want to utilize this API and populate the dropdown. So we already have created a connector here. So go to the process, go to your UI, open your web form, choose the component which you want to use to populate the values, come here, and then scroll down, and then you can see we have an option called connector. When you do this, it will ask the connector, whichever you want to use. Let's say I want to use get leave, resource, which resource, /leave, which operation, get, and then list to filter. So here you can see which list leaves I wanted to fetch, response.leaves, response.leaves. It will keep suggesting you, and then what label you wanted to show, what value you wanted to show. So all the elements that you have like label and value will also be available here. Like here label, like can say I can show label and then value. Fine. Now when you will preview, what will happen here? So it is not showing here. So you have to deploy it to show. Let me try to activate it. And let's say activate. Activated. Let's say test in workspace. Here you can see raise your leave request. And now you can see it is calling the API. As soon as your UI will be rendered, it will start calling the API. Click here and you see privileged leave, casual leave, sick leave, and maternity leave. So this is how you can populate your UI components via the connectors. So this is how you guys can call the APIs on your UI components. That's all about this. Thanks for the watching. Bye-bye.